be like,
okay, Mom.
this is how my SATs were.
So we're getting quite a collection of mommy with glasses in her hand, either with a big belly or with a baby, and now with the Hooter hider.
That is so cute.
Who's underneath that big apron you got there? What's going on?
Look at the little.
Are you enjoying your juice?
You can see the hand. You can see the hand coming up.
Are you enjoying your juice, Mom?
It's apple juice.
It's apple juice?
It's Jesus juice.
Oh, it's Jesus juice? Oh, I just zoomed in and can see this little hand popping up.
He's having a time there.
Yes. You can see his little feet kicking. This is going to be a funny video. You hear the little...
You do.
All right.